Juicy, flavorful Thanksgiving turkey with island flavors. Here's a flavorful turkey recipe that combines thyme, rosemary, oregano, and island flavors spices for a delicious twist. Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Juicy, flavorful Thanksgiving turkey with island flavors. Here's a flavorful turkey recipe that combines thyme, rosemary, oregano, and island flavors spices for a delicious twist. Island Spice Herb Roasted Turkey. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: 1 whole turkey, 12 to 15 pounds. Half a cup unsalted butter, softened. 8 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 2 tablespoons onion powder. 4 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, chopped. 2 tablespoon fresh rosemary leaves, chopped. 1 tablespoon fresh oregano leaves, chopped. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 2 tablespoon paprika. 1 teaspoon ground allspice. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 cup chicken or turkey broth. Instructions: preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 163 degrees Celsius. Prepare the turkey. Remove the turkey from its packaging and pat it dry with paper towels. Place the turkey on a rack in a roasting pan. Herb butter rub. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter, minced garlic, chopped thyme, rosemary, and oregano. Mix well until herbs are evenly distributed. Island Spice Blend. In another bowl, mix together cumin, coriander, paprika, allspice, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Season the turkey. Rub the herb butter mixture all over the turkey, including under the skin and inside the cavity. Sprinkle the Island Spice blend evenly over the turkey, ensuring it's well coated. Truss the turkey. Truss the turkey with kitchen twine to help it cook evenly. Drizzle with olive oil. Drizzle olive oil over the turkey to help the skin crisp up during roasting. Roasting. Pour the chicken or turkey broth into the bottom of the roasting pan. Roast the turkey in the preheated oven, basting every 30 minutes with pan juices, until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Cooking time will vary based on the size of your turkey, so use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. Resting. Once done, let the turkey rest for 20 to 30 minutes before carving. Serve. Carve the turkey and serve with your favorite sides. Enjoy your delicious Island Spice Herb Roasted Turkey with thyme, rosemary, oregano, and exotic island flavors. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with hashtag Oscar Island Style on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.